Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol LQMT. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very, very nice move today, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So a lot of eyeballs on this one, so let's map out some levels of support. Then we can talk levels of resistance. So the first area of support is what I would call the ideal level. When you say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can stay up above 25 cents. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below 25, by no means am I saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, in the event the price can stay up above the 25 cent mark, that would certainly be a huge sign of power going forward. Next level of support after that, down there at, I'll make it easy, 24 cents. So 25 and 24 are the two near-term levels of support. Taking a step back and looking at things from the big picture point of view, that is where the purple line comes into play, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. So as time goes by, this line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very effective, although simple, so I mean, and that's the greatest way to go about things, right? Easy ways, but highly effective ways of gauging the health of the move. This right here being defined as quote-unquote the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that purple line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, no questions asked. Again, yeah, staying above 25 cents would be great, but from the grand scheme of things, as long as the price stays above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, pretty straightforward at this point. There's clearly some sellers sitting right up there just shy of 26 cents. So 26 will be public enemy number one going into next week. Remember, the markets are closed on Friday. Anyway, you slice it though, very, very nice move today. And as long as the price continues to build higher bases, everything else will take care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. So focus on building higher lows and then just sit back and let the chart do its thing. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.